Mason Pot fam, thank you for chilling. We're discussing the cost benefits of hemp gummies versus your own infusions or just cannabis gummies in general. I was recently out of town and I bought 3 packs of these gummies in a week. Each one of these packs is 120 milligrams and they cost $21.86 each. Let's just say 22 bucks, right? So $66 and I got 360 milligrams of gummies, right? Now, if I took that same $63, got rid of these gummies and bought a quarter of flour at 30% potency, I would get about 2,000 milligrams of total infusion or total THC. The same price point of a better product, a full flower infusion that has more cannabinoids, more terpenes, more flavonoids available, that's not hemp derived from a distillate. So everything's better, the quality, the cost, and the effect. And if sure, infusing does take a little bit of time, but for that cost difference, for the benefits, for the better product, it's well worth it to me. We have several videos on this channel about different gummies, comparing your own infusions to other gummies, how to make your own infusions, some little hacks, how to figure out your potency. We have all types of videos on this channel if you want to take a deeper dive into the DIY way of making your own edibles and infusions. Just wanted to shoot this out real quick because, and I'm a pretty heavy dose dude, so and it didn't even last the whole week. So I bought 3 packs. I took about 60 milligrams a day throughout the day, and I was still a day short. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys. There's people out there buying gummies. I get it. Again, this was a state where cannabis was illegal where I was just at. So I was buying these as a nice workaround. I didn't have my Mason Pot kit with me to infuse. But even in a state where it might be illegal, you could still go buy a flower from a smoke shop. Granted, that THCA flower is probably going to be PGR'd out, some other pesticides and stuff on there as well. However, there's some companies doing it really right. I had Flow Gardens on my podcast. They won a cannabis cup a couple years back, doing quality. They sent me some flower. I was blown away. The flower looked good, looked organic, looked just like quality flower that wasn't too like PGR'd or chemicaled out. So that's one brand that popped in my mind that I think is doing hemp flower right. But thanks again for posting up, guys. Just wanted to do this cost benefit analysis or comparison or whatever. So if you like this video, please subscribe, check out more videos, and I'll hopefully see you soon on the Mason Pot channel.